In this video, I'll show you how to make an iPhone ringtone using GarageBand. Firstly, download and launch the GarageBand app from the App Store. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner to start a new project. Select an instrument like the keyboard. Tap the third icon in the top left corner to enter the editor. Click the loop icon in the top right corner, then select Music at the top right to browse songs on your iPhone. Tap Songs to browse your downloaded music, then scroll or search for the song you want to use. Next, tap and hold the song, then drag it to the second track below the instrument track. Trim the song to a maximum of 30 seconds by dragging the waveform edges. Tap the arrow in the top left, select my song's name in your project, then tap Save. Tap and hold your saved project, then tap Share. Tap Ringtone and export the file to your iPhone settings. Then give it a name for easy identification. And after exporting, use Sound As to set it as your ringtone. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.